Alright, today's video is going to be some quick lock practice picking, and this video is brought to us by 4 films by Clint Eastwood, all with Dirty Harry, and my favorite is Magnum Force. You get a good education on what a Colt Python is like in that movie. It's an excellent one. Also by Knob Creek. That's a good one. Nice sipping bourbon. So we're going to take a look at this little yellow padded lock. And I was sent this one and said, good luck getting this one open in 5 minutes. And I said, well, it looks like a cheap Chinese type lock. But I like the yellow padding on there. It's got a hardened shackle right there. So I'm going to put this on the clock and see how fast or slow I can get it done. Comes with 3 keys, and if you look at the keys, I don't usually look at the keys, but if you look at those keys, not good. So I'm going to use this yellow coated, that's just some shrink wrap for wires. I'm going to use this yellow turning tool, tension tool, and I'm going to use this yellow, it's called a city rake because those humps there look like a cityscape. And we're going to start the clock, see how long it takes to get into this little disc lock. Clock is on. I'm going to use this. Just going to get it in there. Just going to wave it around in there a little bit. Okay, there we go. Looks like it took about 30 seconds. Probably could have done it better without the camera in front of me. So there's the nice little practice lock. And these keys do work. This is the kind of lock you give a beginner to say, see if you can do it, how fast you can do it. That's it. Pretty easy. And I'm going to give some cowbell to Dirty Harry. Specifically Magnum Force. I really like that one. Knuckle bump.